Hey guys, welcome back to part 2 of my mobile medical clinic that I built. The electrical system, as you can tell, I went with Victron parts here, 3500 watt, 7000 watt surge power inverter. Got my 12.8 volt diffume 600 amp batteries, which gives me 24 volt system in here. Put in some insulation, and of course we have our tilt screen here. So the one thing I wanted to show you guys is I was looking for a way to get an AC system in here, because unfortunately my rooftop AC system actually started leaking, causing some damage, so I had to take it off. I then put a max air fan in there, but then I befriended somebody that my brother knows who is a metal fabricator, and we had talked and discussed what the best option was going to be. And eventually we came up with this AC system that will be able to work underneath the van off of a 24 volt system without having to go on the roof, cut more holes, and do anything else. He fabricated his own metal brackets on the side there and was able to install this system, which completely and perfectly works, and I'm so happy with it. It's one of those things that I'd been talking about, and he was able to actually get it to install into the van. As we make our way into the van, we had to find a perfect place for it, and we were able to mount it in this system here. Touchscreen pad. It's in Celsius, and the air works. We plugged it off here, and then we were able to run it through the back wall on there. And so this is a alternating motion fan, so it can get the air to circulate through. Instead of cutting through the ceiling we have here, we were able to utilize this fan and get them both going. So I hope you guys enjoy.